Today I'm making crispy beer-battered shrimp tacos with a cabbage avocado slaw and Chipotle crema. First, I'm going to prep some ingredients for the slaw. So I'm using my Shun Premier master utility knife to thinly slice some red and green cabbage. I'm also going to dice up an avocado and cut some fresh cilantro. I really like to use this knife because it's thin and it's lightweight, so it's really easy to control whatever it is that I'm cutting. Then you peel the shrimp and remove the tail, and you'll use the utility knife to cut along the length of the shrimp and use the tip of the blade to remove the vein. Next, we'll make the Chipotle crema, so we'll cut up some limes and mix together sour cream, chipotles and adobo, fresh lime juice, salt, and pepper. Next, we'll make the beer batter, which is all-purpose flour, some seasonings, baking powder, and light beer, and we'll give that a whisk. Then we'll coat the shrimp in our beer batter, gently lower them into hot oil, and cook them until they're golden brown, then season them with salt. Okay, home stretch. Now you're mixing together all the ingredients for the slaw, warming up your tortillas, and building a taco. Tortilla, slaw, shrimp, chipotle crema, salt, pepper, lime juice. It's perfect.
Oh my God.